Okay, so now take these terms, let's name it. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now let's take the first term, which is b dot del acting on a. B dot del acting on a. So what is b dot a? B dot a is bx del x acting on a. Okay, so let's write like this, plus by del y plus bz del z. This is acting on a vector, ax x cap is ay y cap plus az z cap. Okay, so for the x component we will get bx del x ax plus by del y ax plus bx I'm sorry b bz del z ax plus for the y cap we're gonna have bx del x ay plus by del y ay. So what we're gonna have actually the same thing, but ax is replaced by ay. Okay, so we will write like this. For the z component again we're gonna have same thing, but ax is ay is actually replaced by az. bz del z az. Right, so this is the first term. For the second term we're gonna have a dot del acting on b, so we'll get again this same term, but a is replaced by b and b is replaced by a. So ax del x bx plus ay del y bx plus az del z bx plus y cap ax del x by plus ay del y by plus az del z by plus z cap ax del x bz plus ay del y bz plus az del z bz. Right, so we have these two terms, and of course yeah, this is for the x cap, y cap and z cap. Similarly for these. Now we take the third term, which is a times del dot b. A times del dot b. So what it is going to be, del dot b is gonna be, so we'll write like this, ax x cap ay y cap plus az z cap. Now what is this? This is gonna be del x bx plus del y by plus del z bz. So for the x component we will get ax del x bx plus ax del y by plus ax del z bz plus y cap is ay del x bx plus ay del y by plus ay del z bz plus z cap az del x bx az del y by plus az del z bz. Similarly for the third term we're gonna have we're gonna have b times del dot a, so we'll get these term in this. Only thing is that a is replaced by b and the b is gonna replace by a. We're gonna have bx del x ax plus bx del y ay plus bx del z az plus for the y cap we're gonna have this by del x ax plus by del y ay plus by del z az plus z cap bz del x ax plus bz del y ay plus bz del z az. Okay, right, so we have finally wrote down all of these RHS components, right? So first of all for the RHS we will write all of those x components, right? LHS for this all of those x components. So what are those components? Let me take it. Okay, so this one will consist all the x component. Okay, so I will take this. Okay, similarly for the RHS we will take all of those x components. Okay, so these are the x component in the LHS. Okay, and one more thing, that there is a minus sign. Let me include those minus signs as well. For the 2 and the 4 we're gonna have minus sign. For the 2 and 4 we're gonna have minus sign, so there is a minus sign over here, and all the minus will be replaced by plus and plus will be replaced by minus, right? We're gonna have minus and again minus, 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 and 4 will have minus as well. Minus, 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 minus. Okay, now let me take the x component of the RHS. So we will take these terms. Similarly we will take these terms.